The eighth round of Jiliarong political talk with Government of India was held in New Delhi yesterday. In a press note issued by Secretary Information and Publicity, Jiliarong United Front, Louis Kangmai, Jiliarong United Front informed that Government of India understands and acknowledges the history of struggle, grievances and political right of the Jiliarong people and expressed their determination to work out a model of solution. During the meeting, draft proposal from both sides were shared and points on structural framework of the issue were discussed. It further informed that the following round of talk will deal extensively on defining the terms and logic of mechanism for pragmatic solution at the earliest. In the press note, JUF also appealed Jiliarong people in Assam, Manipur and Nagaland to continue praying and to give support to the ongoing political talk.